Hey guys, so if you're anything like me, then you have a major issue with your purse just becoming like a total black hole. Just everything just jumbled, just this crazy like mess of stuff, and you always like need something, you can't find it, you're just like crazily like, fumbling around trying to find it in your bag. It's just like, it can be like very, very frustrating and annoying. So I found a system that I think kind of works. I was able to, actually on Shein, I was able to order some really cheap kind of smaller bags, and I have stuff sorted into the different little bags. I actually don't have everything in my bag right now. I usually keep a little snack bag for my kids, and then I also usually keep my wallet obviously in here, but I don't have those in here right now, but just pretend you see a wallet and a little container for snacks in here as well. But anyway, I have in here, I have this clear bag in which I keep skincare. So it's got like cuticle cream, it's got sunblock, it's got hand cream. So I have that in there, and then I have this little pouch for face masks, which a lot of places don't really require them anymore, but some places do, or there's some places maybe where you want to wear one. So it's just nice to have them in here, so because I used to just end up with my face masks just jumbled into the bottom of my bag, and they'd get all gross and like bent out of shape and stuff. So this is nice for face masks. And I have this little kit that has like first aid stuff. It has bandages of different sizes. Somehow my kids are always, seems like they're always getting injured when we're out of the house, like maybe they fall or scrape themselves or whatever. So this is a really nice little thing of band-aids. And I think the fact that it's this little box is cute, and the band-aids themselves are also really cute. It really makes them feel better just to see these. So, I will link to this down below because I think these are actually really, really good bandages. I also will link to Shein because that's where I got all these little pouches. So this one, I have this one that is for just like makeup. And this one actually is a little bit jumbled, but at least it's jumbled just within this little bag instead of jumbled all over my whole purse. And so I just have, just some BB cream, a couple eyeshadows, a little highlighter, a couple little brushes, mascara. This is just in case I basically want to do all my makeup when we're in the car. Then I can have it all right there. And then last but not least, I have this one that has so that one had everything that was not lip products, and then this has just lip products because sometimes you just want to reach for a lip product. That's the thing. That's really the only thing I usually end up reapplying during the day. Other stuff, it's just you just apply it one time and then you don't think about it anymore. But this is nice to reach for if you just need to reapply lip product. And I have some different ones in here, like some are just really just for lip care, and then some are more like pretty lip products. So it's nice to have those options. And then I have one other thing in here that just has like some feminine hygiene items, like it has like tampons in there. So it's nice to keep that. And this looks like really big, but it's actually very like light and doesn't have a whole lot in it. So it's not that bad. If you're wondering like, oh, all this stuff looks heavy, it's really not that bad. A lot of these things are quite light. And this is very light. These are all very light. And so that's that. And I really like the fact that I can just, oh, I also have this in here. I don't necessarily always keep this with me, but this is a bag of pens and pencils. I sometimes just bring a much smaller bag that just has like a few pens and pencils. This one is actually pretty big, so I don't necessarily always carry that one with me, but that's in there right now. And so, oh, and I usually keep my keys in this like top pouch right here, just because you're always kind of like fumbling around trying to find your keys so you can get to your like grocery discount cards or whatever. So I keep my keys right here. And then my wallet, when I do have my wallet in here, it's bright red, so I can always like immediately see it. And so far this system is working pretty well for me in terms of just keeping me sane and keeping my stuff organized. So I do recommend trying this out if you've really been struggling with having a purse that's a black hole. I really recommend this. I did have a purse organizer for a little while. It's one of those like kind of inserts, but I really did not like it at all, and I wasn't sure like why Those seem to be really popular, at least per the reviews, they seem really popular, because I just felt like I really struggled, and I felt like the purse organizer, it just meant that everything was sort of in a jumble in the organizer, and the little like pockets in the organizer were all so small that it was hard to even really find stuff that fit in them. I don't know, was not a fan, but this system has been working well for me. So I do recommend trying it out, and you can try it out pretty cheaply if you try these little pouches from Shein. They're so inexpensive. I think maybe $2 or $3 for these little pouches. You can try the system out and see if you like it. And let me know if you have any tips on staying organized, or if there's anything that's worked for you or not worked for you. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.